For health reasons, many of you are working remotely, but still need to communicate with your team, your clients, or your executives. I'm getting a lot of questions from clients about how to use video to communicate more effectively at this difficult time. So in response, I'll be sharing a series of videos with some valuable information on how to increase your productivity and communication with the use of video from your mobile phone, tablet, or computer. Trust is critical, and if you're going to use video to communicate with clients, or if you're going to speak to a group at your organization, you should be creating quality video. When you're doing a live FaceTime, a Zoom, or Skype meeting, there are a few easy things that you can do to up the credibility of your video meeting. Prepping for your video meeting. Let's start by making sure your device is fully charged or plugged into a charger. Up the brightness of your mobile device or your computer screen to really see what the processor is seeing so that you can make appropriate lighting adjustments. Then clean your lens. If you're using a mobile phone or tablet, never shoot handheld. Either use a standard tabletop tripod or a 72-inch tripod. If you're going to use your computer like a camera, make sure that it's eye level. Always use a lavalier mic when making video. If you are just meeting with coworkers, it's not necessary to use a mic. However, when sending videos to clients or videos to the whole company, always use a microphone. And when you do, make sure you hide the cord under clothing. Check and adjust the lighting before you begin. And check your framing. Can't remember all you have to say? Need a portable teleprompter that you can work yourself? Some products and apps work better than others. Contact me and I'll give you some options that I use. I hope this is helpful for your company or organization. Watch for other videos on helping you create professional quality video communications with your mobile device. Contact me if you need media training or other video assistance.